Today is December the 21st. I'm here at home. I'm gonna go to White Bear, Buerkle Hyundai for oil change. My car needs oil change, and hopefully they also have the 2020 Hyundai Sonata. Mine is a 2011, which won the Car Year Award for 2011, and so that's what I'm planning to do. This is me. Click the button below, subscribe. If they have the 2020 Hyundai Sonata, I'm gonna do a video review, just a walk around the car. I'm not a car review guy. Subscribe. You'll see my journey today. Peace. Have a good Saturday. The time is about noon. So I'm gonna drive now and listen to the 80s here. About 15 minutes drive.
At the while I must have talking curfew. Private Ryan, let us go there with the big cannon. Yeah, me I say. Just press on the first one, the girl that will have to eat something from the front. I'm on Maryland, going to I-35.
is a fact. Me have to confess to all of the woman must be true respect. Not to be dressed up in the latest and we love fancy neck. When we come up on the city, man, them say we don't fresh love.
Mr. Lonely, baby girl, come back to me. Feel lonely in my life since you're gone. Man, come down once more alongside Berry, Saman Berries. We will have to sing to the girl.
This highway or interstate, it goes all the way to Texas, going south. Going north, it goes all the way to Duluth. So I'm going north.
Think it over, baby girl, me I get me loneliness. I come down like a tent and I let think it over. Baby girl, me I get me loneliness. I come down like a tent and I we don't stop crying. We are the woman. It's because the girl them with that complexion, but you don't stop crying. We are the woman. What if things are going for no complexion? Not the beauty, who know all even in a million. I've been from birth and natural sun can. It's good that I get me all the solution. Take care of your complexion. What am I do? What am I try? When the whole of them are plan. Don't get me wrong because we love that woman. Who's the tongue man? I wanna walk the whole forever then thinking. Them a plan and them a plan and them a think for them know how much of me and me blood. But all the women them a stress and a couple for it they know me and them a listening. And she know she alone and me come back home to her in a big evening. And me and her is very close and me not find them close and me not hurt her feeling. But all the time me tell them a chat my land and not living that's why me. When I'm a rich man, you can know them have a big in a life, man. We don't want to chat, man. Much about them. Ooh, the shape of me. Couldn't forget you. Girl, I know I really had to get you the first time I met you. I couldn't forget you. Girl, I know I really had to get you. I saw you down the lane, girl. Whoa, I never thought.
I have 2020 Sonata, and I'll do a walk around for that. Actually, I see one, a white one right here. Limited 1.6 liter. Yeah, I see it. I'll go inside and see if they have a new one. I can do a review. I'm going to service over there, and for now, I'll pause. Okay, I'm inside here at Buerkle Hyundai in White Bear, and here is a new 2020 Hyundai Sonata. It looks pretty good. Wow, it's stunning. Oof. It's very shiny in black color. Nice tires. It has a bowl over here. Oh man, I like this car. And it's low. As you can see, it sits lower than the previous generation. I hope it's open so I can go inside and look. Here's a sticker, 2020 Sonata Limited. It's $435,000. It's parked tight here, so it's hard to see the back. But oh boy, it looks nice. I like it. Looks pretty cool. And next to it is Veloster N. That's a sports. If you think of BMW, the M5 and stuff, the N, this Veloster here, and that means sports. So let's see if it's unlocked. Yep, it's unlocked. The seats are down in the back. I'm gonna push them up. They split. Gonna sit in the back here. Oh, feels good. It's all leather because it's limited edition. There's a lot of fingerprints on the screen over there. It's a touch screen, but oh boy, I've seen YouTube reviews, and in person it looks even better. It has shifters over there. So I'm in the back here. There's a lot of room. Oh man, see the dome light up there? The door feels heavy when I open it. Now I'm gonna sit on the driver's side here. Oh wow. Let me close the door so you can hear how it sounds. Listen to that. Whoa. Oh boy. I'll try to figure out if I can turn the radio on. So I'll pause for a second. Okay, there's a screen here. Let's see, I'm trying to look for music or something. And see the shifter here. It doesn't have a shifter. It has a parking right there. It has a reverse, neutral, and drive. So that's what it looks like. Oh boy, this looks good. You can't tell from the video, but it has the shifters right in the back here. Here's a shifter right there. That's a shifter. Everything feels solid. I'm getting a warning, battery discharge. I'm trying to see how the music sounds. Gonna go to, and it's touch screen. The guy is coming. Oh, he's talking to someone else over there. Trying to find a Seek.
Amazing selection from all of
It's KDWB.
Being thrown in my
has Bose sound system. This looks good. There's the passenger side. It's hard to see, but because it's sunny outside. But oh boy, this looks good. And as you can see in the back here, I don't know if you can see, there's a little depression over there for taller people. You can see it in the back there. Oh boy, I like it. Look at that. And you can change the modes. I don't know how to do that, but I think you do that through the drive mode. There are several drive modes. As you can see, I'm not sure what mode is that. Oh, that's, you can custom it. That's smart. Custom. That's sport. It's all red, showing aggressive. I'm ready to go. And that's normal mode. And so it has custom, sport, and normal. Pretty cool. I like that. But I'm sure it looks even greater in dark, because right now it's pretty sunny outside and it's hard to see anything. But well, that's my little walk around for the 2020 Hyundai Sonata. I like it. And you can see the air vents here. This is how you control the temp. The driver side is independent of the passenger. And the seats are ventilated and heated. As you can see right there, the seat is ventilated. And you can cool it or warm it. And that's a passenger side. So the driver can have this side warmer, the passenger can have that side cooler or even warmer. Alright, peace people, subscribe. That's what it looks when it's on. Actually it's not really on, but I didn't turn it on completely. Just wanted to see how some of these gauges look, and they look great. See, those lights are unique. There's no other car in the world that have this kind of lights. Wow, that's all I can say. I'm wowed. And in 2021, late fall, they're gonna have a turbocharged, the N version, which is like sports division, that will have probably 300 horsepower. So that basically will kill Camry and the Accord. And even this one, I'm sure, is gonna do way better. 2011 did very well, and that's a car I have. And this one here, I'm sure Toyota and Honda, I'm sure they were worried. They should beat them easily. All right, peace. Thanks for watching.